Now, India's voter list cleanup, which is also known as the SIR, has now ignited protest nationwide. When we speak about the state of West Bengal, at the center, there is a fierce political clash that is taking place. On one side is the BJP, on the other side is the TMC. BJP and Mamata Banerjee's TMC are trading allegations that there is targeting and infiltration that is taking place. The Election Commission has intervened. Bengal emerges as the key battleground ahead of the crucial elections in 2026.
India's voter roll cleanup is now a full-blown political flashpoint. Phase 2 of the SIR is no longer just an administrative exercise. It is triggering street protests, chaos on the ground, and a fierce political crossfire. In Thakur Nagar, Mamata Banerjee stepped up her attack on the BJP and the Election Commission.
একটি মানুষের গায়ে আঁচল লাগলে মনে রাখবেন আমার গায়ে আঁচল লাগবে এটুকু আমি বিশ্বাস করি আমার বাংলা ভালো থাকলে দেশটা ভালো থাকবে
The BJP has hit back hard. Party leaders accuse Mamata of shielding infiltrators.
हमारा ध्येय भारत के लोगों का साथ और भारत के लोगों का विकास है। आपका ध्येय घुसपैठियों का साथ, घुसपैठियों का विकास है। घुसपैठियों का साथ और घुसपैठियों के विकास से अब बंगाल सरकार नहीं चलेगी। अब बंगाल में आगामी चुनाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनने जा रही है।
This comes after Bengal Chief Minister sent a strongly worded letter to the Election Commission. In a letter, the Chief Minister questioned the need to outsource SIR data work and asked whether the outsourcing process was serving vested interests. She added that the proposal for polling stations in private buildings was problematic, asserting that stations must be located in government or semi-government buildings, as using private buildings could compromise fairness. Soon after, the Election Commission has called the TMC for a meeting on November 28th. Across several states, the SIR continues, but the political flashpoint remains firmly in Bengal, where both sides are turning a voter roll revision into a battle of narratives. Bengal now stands at the heart of the national showdown. Is the SIR a routine cleanup of electoral rolls, or has it become the newest front in the TMC-BJP war as both sides brace for the 2026 battle for Bengal? Bureau Report, India Today.